Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you're a student right now in 2026, let's just be real for a second. Artificial intelligence is practically your co-pilot. We're using it for literally everything, from those frantic 3 a.m. research binges to mapping out our entire exam prep. But with so many tools out there, trying to figure out which one will actually optimize your study habits without just wasting your precious time, well, it can feel incredibly overwhelming. So this brings us to the absolute million-dollar question for anyone managing a heavy course load right now. If you could only choose one AI tool to study with, which one are you actually picking? Today, we're putting two absolute heavyweights head-to-head. We've got Notion AI versus ChatGPT. Which one is going to keep you organized, and which one will actually help you learn better? Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our agenda for today. First, we'll meet your AI study assistants. Then we'll jump into the note-taking battle, the deep research showdown, and essay writing and organization. After that, we'll hit the pros, cons, and scorecard, and finally wrap up with the final student verdict. All right, Section 1, meet your AI study assistants. First up on the roster is Notion AI. You can kind of think of this as a hyper-organized Type A assistant that literally lives right inside your digital notebook. Its whole job is interacting with the stuff you already have. Just imagine dropping your messy 10-page class syllabus into your workspace, and boom, the AI instantly generates a customized study plan, summarizes your lecture notes, and tracks your upcoming assignments, all in one place. Now contrast that with ChatGPT. This is your conversational AI assistant. ChatGPT honestly doesn't care about managing your folders or color-coding your schedule. Its absolute superpower, acting as your on-demand, 24/7 personal tutor. When you're staring at some completely unfamiliar concept for your finals and you need it broken down like you're 5 years old, or hey, maybe you just need help brainstorming a fresh essay topic, this is 100% your go-to. Moving on to round 1, the note-taking battle. When we're talking about note-taking, the workflows here are just night and day. Notion AI lets you store all your lecture notes, study materials, and project plans in this one beautiful, searchable hub, and it uses AI to automatically clean up your messy, half-asleep typing. ChatGPT, on the other hand, well, it can generate brilliant notes on the fly for sure, but it fundamentally lacks a filing cabinet. Once you close that chat, you're pretty much left figuring out where to save all that text for the rest of the semester. And because of that massive structural advantage, Notion AI is the clear winner of the note-taking battle. Having the AI embedded right next to your actual lecture files is just an unbeatable workflow for keeping your digital life from devolving into pure chaos. All right, round 2, the deep research showdown. Now this is where the tables completely turn. Research is really where ChatGPT flexes its muscles. Let's say you're trying to wrap your head around a wildly complex biology topic. ChatGPT lets you ask endless follow-up questions and feeds you deep, detailed explanations in literal seconds. Notion AI, well, it's mostly looking at what's already inside your workspace, so it's simply less equipped for that kind of exploratory rabbit hole research. So yeah, for those late-night, caffeine-fueled study sessions where you need a really difficult concept explained to you from scratch, we absolutely have to crown ChatGPT the undisputed champion of deep research. Next up, rounds 3 and 4, essay writing and organization. When you're staring down a massive essay, both of these tools are lifesavers, but actually at very different stages of the process. ChatGPT is the one you want when you're facing that dreaded blank page. It's fantastic for spitting out brainstorming ideas, building out those initial outlines, and getting a rough early draft going. But when it's time to actually polish the thing, Notion AI steps up. It is brilliant at formatting, editing, and refining the text you've already started working on inside your workspace. But when we pivot over to pure productivity, oh man, Notion AI absolutely dominates the field here. I mean, we're talking about combining your notes, wrangling a chaotic calendar, tracking every single daily task, and coordinating massive group project deadlines, all in one single platform. If you're juggling like 5 different classes at once, this is a level of structural, big-picture organization that ChatGPT just isn't built to provide. Which brings us to Section 5, pros, cons, and the scorecard. So choosing between these two really boils down to whatever your biggest pain point is right now. Look at it this way. Notion AI is a total powerhouse for organization and assignment management, but the trade-off is there's a bit of a learning curve to set up your workspace, and you get weaker external research. On the flip side, ChatGPT is practically unmatched for brainstorming and explaining tough concepts, but it won't manage your files, and you definitely always have to fact-check its outputs to make sure it's not just hallucinating answers. And finally, Section 6, the final student verdict. Here's the deal. If your biggest struggle right now is honestly just keeping your head above water, managing coursework, tracking a million deadlines, and taming your completely messy digital life, Notion AI is 100% your platform. Choose it if you're craving an all-in-one workspace where your entire academic life can just live under one single digital roof. On the flip side, if your main goal is trying to understand really complex material faster or prepping heavily for exams, ChatGPT is your ultimate tutor. Choose this one if your major requires you to grasp abstract topics in a hurry, or if you constantly need a powerful brainstorming partner to help you pull those essays out of thin air. But hey, actually, scratch that. Why limit yourself to just one? Because for a lot of students, the absolute ultimate 2026 study hack is just combining them. You use ChatGPT as your brilliant, on-demand tutor to do the heavy research and break down big ideas. Then, you take those golden insights and drop them straight into Notion AI to neatly organize, summarize, and manage that info until finals week. It truly gives you the best of both worlds. So, I'll leave you with this. Will you pick a side based on your own specific study bottlenecks, or are you going to combine both to build an absolutely unstoppable workflow this semester? The power is totally in your hands to dramatically upgrade your study habits. Thanks so much for hanging out and exploring this with me today. Keep learning, keep organizing, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.